mangrove forest and its importance and threat. The mangroves are woody plants forming the only tall tree forest in the world located between land and sea in tropical and warm temperate coast. Mangroves are specially adapted to harsh environment where no other plant species can survive. It is structurally and functionally unique ecosystem to have well-developed aerial root, viviparous germination, salt regulation, and nutrient retention. The mangroves are the only blue carbon forests of the ocean and are also known as coastal woodland. Coming to the importance of mangroves. The mangrove forests are ecologically significant and economically important. They provide ecosystem services worth at least $1.6 billion each year and support coastal livelihood worldwide. They serve as the nursery, breeding, feeding grounds of crabs, prawns, fishes, birds, reptiles, and mammals. The mangrove provides firewood, timber, cattle feed, honey, medicines, and tourism development. They protect groundwater aquifer from seepage of seawater, thereby ensuring water security for coastal population. The mangrove forests remove coastal pollution, particularly toxic heavy metals. They offer coastal protection against tsunami, flood, cyclone, etc. Coming to the character of mangrove, they represent the littoral forest ecosystem. They are low-lying areas of tropical and subtropical region are home to mangroves. They are also called halophyte, that is salt-tolerant plants. The trees that grow in mangrove forests are generally 8 to 20 meters in length. They are confined to tropical and subtropical region as they need high solar radiation to filter saline water through their root. They have blind roots which are called pneumatophores. These roots help to the trees to respire the anaerobic soils. Coming to the benefit of mangrove. First one is the ecological benefit. By absorbing more CO, CO2 and SO2, reduce the impact of global warming. They regulate the regional climate by cloud formation, controlling over evaporation and transport the stored heavy energy to the adjoining region. Sequester the pollutant and absorb pollutant from the land, including industrial waste, agriculture and aquaculture runoff, and other heavy metals and act as single pollutant. The hydrological cycle, nutrient cycle, and provide large amount of nutrient. It is the only marginal ecosystem which interact intensely with neighboring system by the way of supplying large amount of nutrient and help for nutrient recycling. Inhibit the speed of cyclone and tsunami and minimize the damage caused by the natural disaster. Protect and stabilize coastal zone against the erosive force of marine current. Reduce the impacts of flooding on adjacent marine associated ecosystems such as seagrass bed and coral reef. Next one is the biodiversity values. Supports several globally threatened species including Royal Bengal tiger. Most of the plant species are endemic to this ecosystem. It is rich in biodiversity. In a wide spectrum, Indian mangroves along harbor for 1,011 biological species including several migratory waterbirds and fishes. Protect the adjoining important and fragile ecosystems such as seagrass bed, coral reef from natural calamities and supplying nutrient and ensure the diversification. Coming to the aquafood value, they support and supply a huge amount of crab, prawn and fish. Globally, 80% of the fish catches are directly or indirectly depend on mangroves. Moreover, it is a vital nursery ground for several marine fishes, shrimp and crabs, providing wild seed for aquaculture industry. produce more green mussel and oysters. The green mussels have more economic and medicinal values. Coming to the medicinal value, mangrove plants have been widely used as medicine to control diarrhea, blood pressure, asthma, snake bites, ulcer, etc. Mangrove wetlands support unique fungi and microbes which are the source of large number of antibiotic, enzyme, hormone and vitamins. Coming to the plant and wood value. Provide raw material for construction of house, board, jetty, charcoal, firewood, dyes, glues, etc. for fish traps, roots and stem used to narcotizing the fishes. And also provide edible items such as fruits, honey, sugar, vinegar, and alcohol. Have aesthetic, education, spiritual and scientific and heritage values. It has a good recreation center such as boating, bird watching, and fishing. Coming to the important threat. First one is the commercialization of coastal area. Aquaculture, coastal development, rice and palm oil farm and industries activities are rapidly replacing these salt-tolerant trees and the ecosystem they support. The mangrove coverage has shrunken by half in the last 40 years. The size of the shrimp farms has caused at least 35% of the overall loss of mangrove forest. The rise of shrimp farming is a response to the increasing appetite for shrimp in the USA, Europe, Japan, and China in recent decades. Coming to the temperature related issues. The fluctuation of 10 degree in a short period of time is enough stress to damage the plant, and a freezing temperature for even a few hours can kill some mangrove species. Coming to the soil related issues. The soil where mangroves are rooted poses a challenges for plants as it severely lacking in oxygen. The most plants can easily take oxygen from gases trapped within the surrounding soil, but for mangrove roots, this is not an option as they not only they root underground, they are also flooded with water up to 2 times a day. Coming to the excessive human intervention. During past changes in sea level, mangrove were able to move further inland, but in many places, human development is now a barrier that limits how far a mangrove forest can migrate. Mangrove also frequently suffer from oil spills. Thank you.